Bats in the US can glow ghostly green, and scientists have no idea why. Your Halloween decorations are biologically accurate. Real bats glow green too. Greetings, fellow observers. Commander Zix here with breaking news from Earth, where humans have apparently discovered that North American bats glow ghostly green under ultraviolet light, and scientists have absolutely no idea why. Researchers at the University of Georgia examined 60 museum specimens from 6 different bat species, and every single one emitted green light when exposed to UV radiation. Spoiler alert, it always came from their wings, hind limbs, and the membrane between their legs in the exact same narrow range of wavelengths. You can't make this up. So here's what happened. The team studied big brown bats, eastern red bats, Seminole bats, southeastern mitosis, gray bats, and Brazilian free-tailed bats. Across all species, sexes, and ages, the photoluminescence was identical. Always green, always from the same body parts. The phenomenon involves molecules absorbing photons at shorter wavelengths and emitting light at longer wavelengths between 520 and 552 nanometers. Translation: nature gave every bat species the same glow-in-the-dark feature for unknown reasons. Simple biology? Apparently too mysterious for Earth scientists to explain. Let me paint this picture for you, space observers. Wildlife biologist Stephen Castleberry says the data suggests all these bats inherited the trait from a common ancestor. They did not develop it independently. But here is the twist. Since everyone is wearing the same shade of green, it cannot be useful for species recognition or differentiating mates from rivals. The wavelengths fall within bats' range of vision, but researchers are not sure there is even enough ambient UV light at night to produce photoluminescence. For context, the glow appears on wings and lower limbs, body parts visible during flying and foraging. But bats roost in dark caves where UV light is basically non-existent. Scientists think it may be an evolutionary artifact, meaning it served a function in the past but does not anymore. The irony is absolutely stunning. But wait, it gets even better. Previous studies found that a whole menagerie of mammals glow under black light in a rainbow of colors. Pocket gophers glow, platypuses glow, Australian marsupials glow. Some research even found 125 species representing all 27 living mammalian orders exhibiting fluorescence. Mexican free-tailed bats have glowing bristles on their feet. So, naturally, your Halloween decorations of glow-in-the-dark bats are more biologically accurate than humans realized. Professor Castleberry admits they are trying to understand why these animals glow, but they simply do not know. What is the evolutionary adaptive function? Does it actually serve a purpose? Nobody can answer these basic questions. Here is where it gets truly fascinating. The study, published in Ecology and Evolution, is the first confirmation of green wing photoluminescence in North American bat species. Determining whether this provides clues to any behavioral function will require examining live bats, not just museum specimens. The study, published in Ecology and Evolution, is the first confirmation of green wing photoluminescence in North American bat species. Determining whether this provides clues to any behavioral function will require examining live bats, not just museum specimens. The locations of the glow suggest visibility during flight, but the lack of uniformity across species rules out communication purposes. Researchers are left with a trait that appears universal, inherited from ancient ancestors, potentially useless today, and completely unexplained. The issue is not whether glowing mammals matter to observers, it is that Earth scientists discovered a widespread phenomenon affecting dozens of species and have no explanation for why it exists. Your species found that bats across 6 different species all glow the exact same shade of green under UV light, inherited from a common ancestor millions of years ago. And the best hypothesis is that it might be an evolutionary leftover that serves no current function. This is Commander Zix reminding you that while Earth continues investigating whether photoluminescence has adaptive significance, nature apparently gave mammals a party trick that scientists can't explain. The universe keeps secrets even from Earth's experts. We watch, you glow mysteriously.